Good morning, everyone. Out for my morning walk. I just wanted to come in real quickly and show you one of the fields that I walk in the morning. Walk around this field a few times. A nice brisk walk. Getting my exercise in along with some nice fresh air. Out in nature. All of these trees. Some nice beautiful trees. Oh, look at that sun. Oh, it's so beautiful. So pretty. Nice beautiful day out, guys. Nice to walk in nature. Get me some of this good fresh air. So, keep inspired, guys. I am getting healthier by the day. Yes, I am. I'm going to continue on my journey. I will talk to you guys later. Alright, take it easy and be a breezy guy.